Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Vitamin E is a vital nutrient for maintaining good health, and a deficiency can lead to a host of health problems. Here are 8 warning signs that your body may be lacking in vitamin E. Dry and itchy skin. Before we get into dry and itchy skin, click the link in the description to discover how the inner body temperature of organs and cells plays a major factor between overweight and skinny men and women. Click the link in the description to discover how clinical research reveals that inner body temperature plays a role on how your body metabolizes fat. Now, let's get straight into dry and itchy skin. Vitamin E is known for its moisturizing properties and helps maintain the skin's natural oil balance. A deficiency in vitamin E can result in dry and itchy skin that is prone to cracking and peeling. Weak immune system. Vitamin E plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Without adequate levels of this vitamin, your body may become susceptible to infections and illnesses. Poor vision. Vitamin E is essential for good eye health, and a deficiency can lead to vision problems. This can manifest to blurred vision, night blindness, and even cataracts. Fatigue and weakness. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against oxidative stress, which can cause fatigue and weakness. Without enough of this vitamin, you may feel tired and sluggish, even after getting plenty of rest. Slow healing. Vitamin E is known for its ability to promote the healing of wounds and tissues. If you're not getting enough of this vitamin, your body may struggle to heal from injuries, infections, and other health problems. Brain fog. Vitamin E is important for maintaining cognitive function, and a deficiency can lead to brain fog, forgetfulness, and confusion. If you're feeling mentally sluggish, it could be a sign that you're not getting enough vitamin E. Muscle weakness. Vitamin E is crucial for maintaining healthy muscles, and a deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and difficulty with physical activity. This can make it challenging to stay active and keep up with your daily routines. Mood changes. Vitamin E is important for maintaining good mental health, and a deficiency can result in mood swings, irritability, and depression. If you're feeling down or anxious, it could be a sign that you're not getting enough of this important nutrient. How to cure it? Before we get into the treatment for vitamin E deficiency, click the link in the description to discover how the inner body temperature of organs and cells plays a major factor between overweight and skinny men and women. Click the link in the description to discover how clinical research reveals that inner body temperature plays a role on how your body metabolizes fat. Now, let's get straight into how to treat vitamin E deficiency. It's important to know that vitamin E deficiency is rare, but it can still occur in people who have poor diet, digestive problems, or certain medical conditions. If you're experiencing any of the warning signs mentioned earlier, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor and have your vitamin E levels checked. Fortunately, getting enough vitamin E is easy. You can find this nutrient in a variety of foods, including nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. You can also take a vitamin E supplement, which can help ensure that you're getting enough of this essential nutrient to maintain good health. In addition to the above warning signs, a deficiency in vitamin E can also have long-term effects on your health. Some of these effects include an increased risk of heart disease, neurological disorders, and certain types of cancer. Vitamin E is an important antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This is important because oxidative stress and free radical damage can cause cell damage and lead to chronic diseases. By getting enough vitamin E, you can help protect your cells and reduce their risk of chronic disease. Another important benefit of vitamin E is its role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin E is known for its moisturizing properties and helps keep the skin hydrated and soft. Additionally, vitamin E can help protect the skin from UV damage, which is important for maintaining a youthful and radiant complexion. It's important to know that while getting enough vitamin E is important, getting too much of this nutrient can also be harmful. Taking large doses of vitamin E can lead to bleeding and other adverse health effects. That's why it's important to speak with your doctor before taking any vitamin E supplements to ensure you're getting the right amount for your needs. In addition to its physical health benefits, vitamin E can positively impact your emotional well-being. Studies have shown that people who get enough vitamin E in their diets tend to have better moods and lower levels of stress. Vitamin E is also important for maintaining a healthy pregnancy and fetal development. During pregnancy, the body needs more vitamin E to support the growth and development of the fetus. A lack of vitamin E during pregnancy can lead to complications, including preterm birth and low birth weight. If you're looking to increase your vitamin E intake, there are many delicious and easy ways to do so. For example, you can try incorporating more nuts, seeds, and leafy greens into your diet. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach are all excellent sources of vitamin E. You can also try using vegetable oils such as olive oil or avocado oil in your cooking. These oils are rich in vitamin E and can help you meet your daily needs for this important nutrient. Finally, it's essential to keep in mind that vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means that it is stored in the body and can build up to toxic levels if taken in large amounts. For this reason, it's essential to speak with your doctor before taking any vitamin E supplements to ensure that you're getting the right part for your needs. In conclusion, vitamin E is a crucial nutrient for maintaining good health, and a deficiency can lead to a host of problems. By paying attention to the warning signs, you can take steps to ensure that your body is getting enough of this important nutrient. So don't ignore the warning signs, take care of your health, and make sure that you're getting enough vitamin E. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.